You guys ready for fall? It's been a hot summer. Still gonna be hot for a little while longer, but fall is right around the corner and it's gonna be cooler temperatures. The leaves are gonna change colors and the holidays are right around the corner, so I'm excited for fall. Anyways, today's video is going to be identifying the seat pan, seat cover, and seat foam. This seat assembly was used on the 1969 and 70 AT1, CT1, and AT1MX models. Here we have a CT1B. The seat has this little latch here where you latch it, but I've already unhooked that. So when you open the seat, this cloth strap is what prevents it from tipping all the way over. And if it tipped all the way over, it would melt on the exhaust pipe. You also have hinge pins here. That's where it pivots. And it's got the cotter pins holding them. Anyways, I have a seat pan here that's already been stripped. You have the rubber dampeners here, the bumpers. Anyways, where the hinges are, the brackets, if you look at the top side, they're actually spot welded onto the seat base. They spot welded them. And this metal was stamped. Anyways, here's a seat that I restored. It's been powder coated. It's got new pins and everything. Anyways, you can buy reproduction seat covers, seat foam, but no one is reproducing the seat base. So you guys better get on it or else I might have to reproduce it. Anyways, the reason I'm making this video is so you can identify it, because a lot of people, they inherit these old bikes and they have no clue. Like, they'll just take a picture and say, what is this for? Can you guys help me? What is this? So I'm doing this for all the models over time. I'll have a catalog here on YouTube for every model, so you can easily identify what you have. Something else I forgot to mention, right here, these tabs, you can bend these tabs, and these are spot welded onto this little metal bracket with the tabs is spot welded onto the actual seat pan as well. And let me show you what it looks like when you bend the tabs. You bend it, and then that's where your seat attaches. Just be careful, they break very easily. So yeah, hopefully someone reproduces them. Like I said, if someone doesn't, I may have to start doing it, because when the Japanese made these bikes, they never knew the cult following they would have. And you know, a lot of people trying to restore these bikes, these pans are rotted out, rusted out. Dave at KDI is reproducing a lot of these for different models, but like I said, for this model, there's no reproduction available. Anyways, I hope this video helps you if you ever need to reference, you know, what seat pan does this fit or what's it for. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take it easy.
Someday, you'll own a Yamaha.